The new press is here, and it's just behind me. Stick around to find out what it is. The pickup guy is here, the guy that's picking up the press. I had to find somebody else that had a forklift because the guys a couple doors down that said they would help out disappeared. Luckily, this gentleman is nice enough to help out, so here we go. All right, and we got the forklift too.
Claim to go on forklift.
No.
Just pallet, push the pallet. I do that all the time.
I don't think it's gonna fit. Not too bad. It ain't gonna fit what I want. Nah. It ain't gonna fit. I just hit on that side, so.
Come up with it. I might have to cut that plastic and I can rotate that way. On the very top, I just have to cut the plastic open a little bit.
Give a victory salute. Can I stop recording now? My arms hurt.
Yeah. The press is gone. It's in the truck right there. And Shannon and I are about to go for a ride on the forklift. We got to take it back. Empty shop. Well, I mean, the press is gone. There's still quite the mess, but oh yeah. All right, let's do this.
Hey, look, with the sunglasses, you can't tell that I'm actually staring at the whole, well, you can a little bit, but not as much. Seriously, how do people vlog? I don't get it. I just got a call from the delivery people. The press is coming. Matt's not here. I'm gonna have to do this by myself. This will be fun. How do people vlog? I don't understand this. Why am I staring over there? I'm looking straight at the camera and I can see myself staring that way. How does Matt do this? I don't get it. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes now. Still waiting on that truck to show up. Still waiting for the truck. I'm starting to feel really bad for the people that volunteered to help us. Oh.
Da 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 da! And it's arriving! Even the truck sounds excited. And now they get to circumnavigate that. That's... I think they're gonna run over the fence.
They are now trying to get the even larger piece out. I'm not sure where any of it's going to go because it says don't double stack it. I don't know what's happening. Matt! Could use you here. Help.
We're all set up. There's Michelle.
I don't think it will.
Hey, over here.
Wow, you're strong.
Ahí está, brother. Dale, 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 dale. Dale, dale. 4 pulgadas, 4 pulgadas. 2 pulgadas, brother. Ahí está.
Okay, so it is here. It has been delivered. Barely fit. I really wish Matt could have been here just because I know he was really looking forward to it, and I know you guys were excited about seeing his reactions and like the filming that he would have done on it. But as it stands, he couldn't be here. You guys stuck with me. It's Shannon the Shop Gnome's first vlog. Funny that the contribution is to the super duper long-awaited, exciting press delivery all by myself. I didn't record some of the things about me panicking and the fact that I told them several times I wanted to throw up. I wouldn't have been able to do this without the gentlemen down there. They were super, super helpful. I had no idea what they said, but they got the job done. Also, I think they broke the door, but I'm not gonna mention that.
Well, that was a lot of fun. I have everything packed back up into the car, and I'm heading back to the office because our new press is here. How was that experience, Shannon? The truck coming in and dropping the press off.
Still want to throw up.
I don't know if you could tell. It's an Anatol! We got the Anatol Titan. It's a 9-color, 10-station press. The 9th head lifts up. We have a rapid wave flash, which I'm very excited about. Very excited about getting this all set up. It's an airlift, servo index, and electric heads. So I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer and see if we can't get a glimpse at some of these arms and the base. Here are the heads. This is the 9th one here. The flash is in this part of the crate, and it is a rapid wave. I don't even know if you can. There it is. There's the flash, the rapid wave. Let's see if I can't shine the light in there. I think it's up to the press tech to disassemble this. We're going to leave this alone. The base is over there. I'll swing around so you guys can see that. There we are. Might be hard to see, but here are the safety bars. All of the arms. And it is a Anatol Titan. Very, very excited about this. Some of the specs about this, it's a 910. The 9th head does have the lift up option. It is a air lift, a servo indexer, and then the heads are AC heads. I'll go back over there and show you that. Here are some of the squeegees here. I'm not sure what that is. Those, I believe, are the pallets right there. I'm thinking this is the monitor. I don't know, I can't tell. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to pull both of these back out, move this one in place. I might have to just uncrate it out here, move it in, and then take some of these tables out, push the arms further back that way, or the heads, excuse me. Here we go. So there are the motors for the heads. It is a chopper style with the flood bars. We've got our speed controls here. We're able to adjust the stroke length on both ends, the flood and print side. It's got these levers to lock in the screens, and I think one of the cool things, one of the things I really like is the fact that the screens feed in from the front. It makes setup a lot easier. Yeah, I'm very excited to get this thing unboxed and for it to be all together. So there you go. I'm very excited. For those of you that guessed correctly, you definitely got bragging rights. Let everybody know that you guessed it. There was one person in particular that guessed the exact model, Anatol Titan. Catch us in our next vlog as we get this thing set up. The press tech is coming in Wednesday, and I can't wait to get this thing up and going and showing you some of the reasons why we went with Anatol, some of the cool features. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.